Good morning, everybody. Today is day 21. Wow, 4 days till Christmas. That's it. Day 21 of our 25 days of so much fun Santa bag. That's what I'm calling it now. Forget the Advent box part of it. Anyway, I hope you've had a great time. I hope you have remembered to post pictures. I've seen some, but not many. And I've seen some nice comments. We're so glad that you're enjoying it. And if don't forget to RSVP for the VIP event in January. We want to see as many of you there as we possibly can. Realize some are out of town and maybe can't make it, but we would love to have you in here because we have some surprises for you as well. So that being said, day 21. Look at the sack. It's really not very full anymore. Okay, that's kind of a good thing, right? Means we're getting toward the end here. All right, let me see. Oh, it was already on the bottom because it's tilting over. So this is day 21. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, I see. I see, she says. It's the pattern by Annie for the snappy sleeves. These can be done in 3 sizes, and I had a sneak peek that it was in here, so I made 2 of them. I made let's put this one first. This one is, they're both the medium sizes, so you can get an idea, and they have the new toolless snaps from by Annie across the top. And you can use this for all kind of things when oh, that snaps tight. That's a good thing, isn't it? Then you can put all kind of good things in here and you know that they're secure. And then this one, upside down. That's why I do them first before I teach them or anything. I learned you have to read sometimes and then understand the reading. So anyway, this one is the horizontal one, and then this is the vertical size. This is size medium, so one size larger, one size smaller for whatever you care to use. They carry papers or make somebody suggested like a first aid kit for your car, something like that. So I can see a lot of uses for these. So hope you enjoy making them and post pictures or bring them into the VIP event. Let us see how you did, okay? Thanks. Have a great day and we'll talk to you soon.